Hello and welcome to Brother Frederick Beats. Today I just want to show you how you can add some extra slot on the mixer if you run out of slot, because on the mixer I've got 10 slots for you to add some effects. Let's go in FL Studio. I show you how you can do that. So when you come in FL Studio, what you can do is to add the effect called Patcher. So I've already added Patcher here, but let me add another one so that I just show you how you can use Patcher. I'll just click here. It's a stock effect from FL Studio. If I play my kick, you won't hear anything. You see? So the way it is, for you to hear something, you need to come here where it is written from FL Studio. Then you left click on it. Then you drag this and connect it up to here where it is written to FL Studio. So when I play the kick, you are able to hear the kick. So this patcher you can add as many effects as you want, more than these slots which are 10. So let me just show you how you can add effects. So you can click on any empty space. So like here, I'll just right click. Then you go here where it is then add plugin. Then so I'm going to add, let me just add Fruit Wave Shaper. Just showing you how to do it. So the way it appears in the patch, it appears like this. But when you double click it, that's when you can do what you want to do, some settings. So let me add a third-party plugin. A third-party plugin is a plugin which doesn't come with FL Studio. So I'll do the same thing, right-click here, add plugin. Then I'll just add Fab Filter EQ, third-party plugin. It appears like this, you can see. So now, how you can use this effect? You disconnect what you connected earlier from FL Studio to FL Studio. Just drag it back. It will be disconnected. Then you drag this. Then you connect it to the effect which you want to be the first one. So like this Fruit Wave Shaper here, the way it is here, if I connect from here to here, which means this Fruit Wave Shaper, it's on slot 1. So don't be confused with the... Let me just drag this patcher down so that you are not confused. So I've put it down here. So the way it is, if I open this one, this effect here, when you add it, when you connect it from FL Studio to the effect, this effect is on slot 1. So don't be confused to say what's happening here. Let me just put this patcher on slot 1. So the way it is, this, it has turned into, patcher has turned into these slots here. The connection which we are doing from FL Studio to this, you see, these which are here. So if I connect this Fruit Wave Shaper to Fab Filter like this, I'll drag and connect it here. So which means this Fab Filter is on slot 2. If I were to add another effect, let me just show you, add another effect. So if I connect Fab Filter to Saturation, so this Saturation is on slot 3. So that's the way they go. So according to the way you connect them, that's the way they will be here. So don't be confused. So if I get this one and drag it to FL Studio, which means the dry sound, which is the kick, if it plays, it is passing through Wave Shaper, which is the effect on slot 1. Then from Wave Shaper, it goes to Fab Filter, which is the effect on slot 2. From Fab Filter to Saturation, so this Saturation is on slot 3. That's the way they go. So let me just close this one, delete this one. Then this one, I'll just put it on slot 1. So when I double click it, you can see I've already done the connection. So you have seen we have even gone an extra one, which is the fruit balance, which is on slot 11, which we don't have here. But here you can add as many effects as you want. So if I just double click on Fab Filter, you can see. So if I just double click here, let me just double click here, I'll cut up to 38. Then here, do the same, double click. Then here, I'll just cut up to 16,000. Then you can change the slope according to the way you want it to be. So if I play my kick, you're going to hear the kick and you're going to see some frequency. You see? So this is how you can use this effect called Patcher in FL Studio, just a stock effect. So this has been Brother Frederick. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm out.